Yes! We freed it!
Today's forecast is not looking so good. It's supposed to be raining most of the day, but we thought we'd give it a go anyway. We're out on Barford Lakes for spot fishing with the boys. 1 adult, 4 kids, muddy field. What could go wrong? Let the chaos begin. Some days it's not just about the fishing, it's about the adventure and seeing what happens next. What have you got?
Maggots. We started on the training lake using floats and maggots. It's a good lake to start on because there are plenty of fish. I chucked a few more maggots in and caught a fish immediately after. Fish number 1, if I have to repeat myself again.
Look at that. We got one. One for Team Bailey and Jamie's for tonight.
That's a decent one as well.
Well done, Jamie. We're off the mark for the first fish. Feeling confident?
Yeah. Look, this is the way I do it. This thingy here, this arm, put it up and then just leave it like that. Keep it like that and just run away and wait for it to start going crazy.
Any nibbles?
I had one, but I lost it earlier. It was over there.
Okay.
I struck too early. I just feel like one of us is going to get something good. Go on, Thomas. Not that bad. You used to record everything, don't you?
Although we got off the mark quickly, things started slowing down and the boys got a little bit bored. I think the fish could sense the change of the weather coming as it started to rain. So we're here today on the Barford Lakes. We were going to do a fishing challenge for the boys, a competition. We managed to catch one fish and it started raining quite heavily, so the boys have retreated to the car. They're just waiting for the rain to stop. I'm having a few more casts, see if I can catch any carp while they're hiding away. How's everyone doing in here?
Well, Bailey's playing a horror game.
Pretty steamed up.
Wait, so when are we going?
I don't know, when does everyone want to go?
Way later.
Way later.
Until it
I mean, we're not really fishing, so...
I'm gonna go outside when it stops raining.
Harrison was the first one to brave the weather, come out the car and start feeding up the stream. Luckily, the rain didn't last long. The boys are off for a run and explore the area.
What
are you doing, Jamie?
I'm trying to get this piece of wood off the tree.
Oh.
Ooh.
So, oh, ew.
Oh, there's some
Ew, what are those?
slugs.
Ew. Are they alive?
Yes. I mean, there's no box here. There's one here, and thing here. Look, there's there.
Yeah, but I need some sort of ledge to grab onto when I get up to there. There we go.
Big pockets there.
Oh,
Oh, got you.
Get down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Get pulled off. I managed to rescue the boys from the trees and calm them down before we got kicked out of the lake. Back to fishing we go. What's that?
Fishy!
Fish is that?
Fishy! Fishy! You know what?
Fishy, fishy.
I'm gonna catch a carp.
We stroke him. Hi, Fred.
He's going to take it off.
Oh, I'll take it. You're a wriggly one. Come on. Oh.
Give him the
you'll
maggot.
have a.
You can have a look.
You can have a awesome gift.
It looked like Jamie was having all the luck today. no one else was catching anything. It was going to be a bit of a waiting game. But then...
Oh my god, I did catch a carp!
Thomas!
Thomas! God! Oh my god! Can I hold it?
It's a tiny one. Look how tiny that is.
Wait, let me...
That's pretty unexpected.
Yeah, we did catch a carp.
Also, me
Thank you for letting me have this.
Something in like the puddle.
Yeah.
What was it?
There's a lovely mirror carp.
I want to take a picture. Yeah,
Be quick. Alright, let's release this. Thank you for biting, sir. Or ma'am. Woo!
So another day of fishing done. It's starting to rain a little bit again, so we're just packing up and heading off home. Turned out pretty good in the end. We caught 2 little perch and a little baby carp, so a very good day.
Push the car. Harrison, push the car. Harrison! Thomas, get in there! Thomas, get on the right, get on the right.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes! Yes! Thomas! We freed it!
Let's go!
We did it! Yeah! Let's see what's left of this. Oh, so here's where the tyres were, the front tyres, and then from pushing, bam.